Grade 8, if you're looking for an easy and quick way to remember how to do angles and parallel lines, listen up. When we say parallel lines, we mean those two lines. We say they're parallel because they will never meet, they will never intersect at any point. In math, we usually denote them like this. So that means those two lines are parallel to each other. And then in geometry, you'd usually have a line going there maybe, or a line going there maybe, and then we would ask you to find an angle there, an angle there, maybe an angle here, an angle here maybe, okay? But I want you to remember when you're doing such questions as what I say, fun, okay? Remember F, U, N or Z, okay? In F, U, N, you try and identify that in your figure. So let's say F, right? You've identified an F in your diagram. Can you identify one? Well, here it is. I can see an F here. Do you see that? It can face anyway. It can face that side. It can face that side. It can even face that side as long as those two lines are parallel to each other. In this case, that is parallel to that. Okay? Do you see that? So when you have that, that means this angle is equal to that angle, right? This angle below the parallel line is equals to that angle below that parallel line, okay? And this is what we call corresponding angles, okay? So when you go on your figure, it means this angle here is equals to that angle there, and your reason will be corresponding angles. Now let's do the next one. The next one is U. So there's our U there, right? Those two lines are parallel. Can you identify a U in your diagram? Well, I see a U here, right? Because those two are parallel to each other. That means this angle and that angle will give me 180. So in your U, this angle and that angle, when you add them together, they'll give you 180 degrees. This in math is what we call co-interior angles. Okay, so now let's do N. So N, you have that. It might look like a Z sometimes, okay? So that's N. Can you identify N in your figure? Well, I see an N there. Okay, it looks like a Z, but it's an N. So there is our N there. So in N, this angle here and that angle here are equal. So this angle here and this angle there are equal. In math, that's what we call alternating angles. Okay, now are you ready to do some exercises? Let's go.